Hello chaps, I'm really quite excited because a while back I ordered a disco Antistat record cleaner and I'm going to open it for you now on YouTube. Okay, here we go. Here's the box over here. It's very big. Hold that up for you guys here. Pair of scissors, and let's see how we're going to get into this box. Lots of bits of sticky tape on it. Do a little bit of a snip here. This is a relatively cheap record cleaner. Most record cleaners on the market tend to resemble small turntables. You put on a little bit of record cleaning fluid onto your record, obviously. Pop it onto this machine and gives it a brush, and then it vacuums the record cleaner away so that you don't get any gunk left in your grooves. This is a more sort of, I suppose, manual version. But either way, it's very important when you do clean records, A, you don't use water, despite some of the remedies I've seen on the internet. You use special stuff for it. And B, according to Riga, who make very high quality turntables and very famous for it, they say keep all fluids away from records, and that, in general, record cleaning is overdone. Well, I kind of go along with that, but in my collection I've got quite a few records which really I don't want to play on my delicate stylus because they're going to ruin them. So, if they're old records, didn't cost me too much, I haven't lost a lot if they don't work, if it doesn't work. So I'll give it a go. Also in here I've got an album by a 60s chap called Donovan. It's a record called Sunshine Superman. Right, as you can probably tell, it's coming open. Actually, I don't know whether they've packed the album in here. If they haven't, it's no great loss. They'll probably send it separately. Some bubble wrap. Oh, yes, there is an album in here. Here we go. Like that. Sunshine Superman by Donovan. There you go. Renew your faith in music. Nothing sounds as wondrous as a well-made record. It's exactly how the artist wanted you to hear their music. Sunday's high-quality vinyl. There you go, that looks like a fantastic looking album there. Don't really know very much about Donovan. That's a mono copy. They tended to be better sounding in the early to mid 60s. Here we go. Lots of German writing on this box here. Let's get rid of this for you. I'll show you what it is. Disco Antistat record cleaner. And here, opening it up, bit of sticky tape there. Where's my wonderful implement again? Here we go. Okay. Instructions. Bottle of the mixture. Oh gosh. And let's put those down. Ouch, can't do it. Good lord. Put those down. mixture again. Put that over there out of the way. This is something, I know not what yet. This is something else that I still know not what. This looks like where the fluid has to go. It's got some, let me show it to you, some brushes in there. And that looks about it. Now from the pictures, I saw like a dryer. Ah, there it comes off. There you go. That's like I suppose like a dishwashing rack. But apparently, if you dry your records vertically, then the dust doesn't attract to them. So I'll be back in touch when I've cleaned some records. I'll also make another in my series of ABBA anomalies, which I hope you're enjoying. Okay, see you later. Bye bye.